How do you get someone to see that you really do need them to make the change that's required? This might be a teacher in terms of their marking or the quality of their planning. It might be a teaching assistant who needs to put in place the right support for the child they're working with. Or maybe it's a member of your senior leadership team who isn't prioritising their time well enough. Today's top tip can help you with all of those and more. So my top tip is wear out the word why. I want to keep asking somebody why, but not in that way that sometimes children can do when they just keep asking why. We want to do it in a little bit more of a sophisticated way. So let's imagine we're talking to a teacher about the frequency of their marking and that they're actually not marking regularly enough. A common issue I see in practically every school I work in. So perhaps we start the conversation and we explain to them, look, we need you to mark your literacy books within 24 hours of the work so the children get great feedback that they can act on straight away. And the teacher says, look, I can't mark that often. We could say, why can't you mark that often? And they might say, because I don't have enough time. Why don't you have enough time? Well, because you keep asking me to do all of these other things and it's really hard to do everything you ask for. Why do you think I keep asking you to do all these other things? They might need to stop and think then. Well, because you're trying to improve the school, and why are we trying to improve the school? And so on. You can see there, I hope quite clearly, how it's why, but with the last thing they said. And this is a really nice way to get them to really explore why it is that we're asking them to do something. Like all tips, it may work sometimes, it may not work sometimes, but give it a go and let me know. If you'd like to get these weekly tips directly into your inbox, then you can sign up at ukheadsup.com/headsuptv. And if there's an aspect of difficult conversations that you'd like to ask me about, then you can at ukheadsup.com/ask Sonia.